Want to crop your video in CapCut on PC? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get the perfect frame every time. First, open your CapCut project and make sure the video you want to crop is added to the timeline. Next, click to select the video clip. Once it's selected, you'll see new options appear in the top left area above the timeline. Now, click on the Crop Ratio button. A pop-up window will appear. Here, you can drag the edges of the video frame to crop it just how you want. Take your time to adjust the sides until it looks right to you. Once you're happy with the crop area, click Confirm in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Now, you'll notice your video is cropped. If you see black bars appear around the video, don't worry. You can resize or reposition the video by selecting it and adjusting it in the preview window. If you want to remove the black bars completely, you can also change the entire project's aspect ratio. To do that, click the Ratio button in the bottom right of the screen and choose an aspect ratio that better fits your new cropped video, like 4:3 or 1:1. Whether you want to crop for social media or just focus on a certain part of your clip, that's how you do it in CapCut PC. If you found this helpful, like the video for more quick editing tips. If you have questions, just leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.